Welcome to Bikesphere, where iconic machines meet modern engineering. Today's video dives into a legend, returning from the past with a thunderous roar, the 2026 Shelby Cobra 427. A car that once defined American muscle now re-emerges with cutting-edge technology, electrifying performance, and unmistakable heritage. This is a deep look into how Shelby brought back an icon without losing its soul. A legacy reborn. The original Cobra 427 from the 1960s became famous for one thing: raw power in the lightest possible package. The 2026 Cobra 427 keeps that spirit alive, but carries it into a new era of performance engineering. Rather than simply replicating the classic model, Shelby reimagines it with modern materials, updated safety, and a performance philosophy that respects tradition while surpassing modern expectations. Exterior design. Classic lines with modern muscle. The 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 retains the timeless silhouette, a long hood, wide rear hips, low stance, and unmistakable oval grille. But upon closer inspection, everything is sharpened and refined. The body is crafted from a hybrid of aluminum and carbon fiber, reducing weight dramatically while improving rigidity. LED signature lighting sits discreetly in place of the vintage-style round lamps, blending modern technology with vintage personality. The side exit exhausts remain a defining feature, only now they are insulated, tuned, and engineered for both performance and comfort. Wide 20-inch performance wheels complete the aggressive posture, giving the Cobra a stance worthy of a supercar. Engine and performance. The 427 Spirit, supercharged for 2026. At the heart of the 2026 Cobra 427 lies a monster, a 7.0-litre V8, hand-built and tuned to produce jaw-dropping horsepower. Shelby's engineers enhance it with updated internals, a modern fuel delivery system, and advanced cooling to ensure reliability even under extreme loads. Acceleration is explosive, launching with precision thanks to an electronically managed limited-slip differential and a strengthened rear-drive system. Despite its brutal power, the car remains surprisingly controllable. Shelby integrates a modern traction system with multiple performance modes, allowing the driver to experience the rawness of the original Cobra, but with the safety of today's engineering. Interior craftsmanship, retro soul, modern comfort. The 2026 Cobra's interior reflects its classical racing roots while offering a refined level of comfort. Hand-stitched leather, brushed aluminum panels, and exposed carbon fiber set the tone for a track-ready yet premium cabin. The classic dual-gauge layout has been modernized with digital overlays that can switch between vintage-inspired needles or advanced performance data. Connectivity features like wireless smartphone integration, a hidden infotainment panel, and modern climate control ensure that the Cobra is no longer just a weekend toy. It's a usable, sophisticated sports machine for the modern enthusiast. Driving dynamics, lightweight fury. What makes the 2026 Cobra 427 unforgettable is how it feels on the road. The vehicle is incredibly light, responding instantly to every input. The updated suspension features adaptive dampers that adjust automatically based on driving style. Whether carving through mountain passes or pushing down a straightaway, the Cobra remains planted, confident, and thrilling. Even though the car has modern stability systems, it still offers the raw mechanical engagement that made the original a legend. Every vibration, every gear shift, and every throttle input reminds you that this is not just a car, it's an experience. Safety and modern technology. Shelby equips the 2026 Cobra with discreet but effective safety features. Advanced ABS, traction management, rollover protection, and reinforced crash zones create a balance between old-school performance and modern security. Yet none of these systems interfere with the character of the car. Instead, they act silently in the background, ensuring confidence without diluting the thrill. Who the 2026 Cobra 427 is built for. This machine isn't for casual commuters. It's designed for enthusiasts who appreciate heritage, craftsmanship, and adrenaline. Collectors will love its connection to the past, while performance drivers will admire its engineering. The 2026 Cobra 427 is more than just a name resurrected. It is a statement that classic American muscle still has a place in the future. Conclusion: the legend lives on. The 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 proves that some legends never fade, they evolve. With flawless design, ferocious power, and a soul rooted in history, this machine brings the past roaring into the future. From all of us at Bikesphere, thank you for joining today's deep dive. Stay tuned for more reviews, breakdowns, and explorations of the world's most exciting machines.